In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove password protection from a PowerPoint 2013 presentation quickly and easily. If you've previously added a password to secure your presentation but no longer need it, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. As long as you know the current password, you can remove it in just a few clicks. Stick around until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical PowerPoint tips. Let's get started. First, open the password-protected PowerPoint presentation in PowerPoint 2013. When you open the file, you'll be prompted to enter the current password. Go ahead and type in the correct password, then click OK to access the presentation. You must know the existing password in order to remove it. Without it, PowerPoint will not allow you to make changes to the security settings. Once your presentation is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you can manage different settings related to your presentation. On the left-hand side panel, click on Info. The Info section shows you details about your presentation, including permissions and security settings. This is where Microsoft PowerPoint allows you to control protection features like passwords and editing restrictions. In the Info section, look for the button labeled Protect Presentation. Click on Protect Presentation, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to securing your file. From the drop-down menu, select Encrypt with Password. Since your presentation is already password protected, clicking this option will open the Encrypt document dialog box, where you'll see the existing password hidden behind dots in the password field. Now here's the key step. Click inside the password field. You'll need to delete the existing password completely. Use your backspace or delete key to remove all the characters so that the password field becomes completely empty. Make sure there are no spaces left in the box, as even a single space will count as a password. Once the password field is completely empty, click OK. That's it. The password protection has now been removed from your PowerPoint 2013 presentation. To make sure the password is fully removed, it's a good idea to test it. Click on File again, then choose Save to ensure your changes are applied. Close the presentation completely, and then reopen it. If PowerPoint opens the file without prompting you for a password, that means the protection has been successfully removed. Removing password protection can be helpful if you're sharing the presentation with colleagues, uploading it to a shared drive, or submitting it to a client who shouldn't need a password to access it. Just remember that once the password is removed, anyone with access to the file will be able to open it freely. And that's how you remove password protection from a PowerPoint 2013 presentation step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Office tutorials. I post simple, straight-to-the-point guides to help you save time and work more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.